Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be trying to dye my hair with henna today, right now. No games. Let's go. I like to color my hair. I haven't colored my hair in over a year. And that was when I was using box dyes. Like I tried, what's it called? L'Oreal. I've tried Cream of Nature. I've tried from the low end to the high end, and pretty much they all wash out. So I wanted to try to find a more natural approach to coloring my hair that's not going to really hurt my hair, because I like to do it so often. I also heard that henna is a little bit more permanent. So what I did was I ordered some henna dyes from Henna Color Lab. So I will leave their website down below in the description box and all that other stuff for you guys to check it out. Everything that I got in the Henna Color Lab, I paid about it was less than $40. I think I paid $35. But pretty much I got the henna. This is the pack that it came in, and then this is the dye. I know it looks green, but when you start mixing it and stuff and let it, you know, activate, it will turn black. But this is it in the color Natural Black, and all this literally takes is water. So you just mix the water and make a thick paste and do that. So I got this because I want my hair to be darker. I don't really like the natural wonky color that I have right now. I did get a clip outside in natural lighting that I'll show you guys. Then I also got Pure Indigo. So this is more of a blue tint, and it looks just like the Natural Black. I believe all of them look green until you mix it. It came with, I don't know if you guys can see right there at the bottom, they gave me a plastic cap and just instructions. Now the instructions are exactly the same, but it's the method that you use, you can get different results. So I could either mix the indigo with the black to intensify, because that's what it says here. It says use to darken our other colors, or use with pure henna in a two-step process. But I think the process I'm going to take is to just like maybe mix some of this pure indigo inside of this. They also sent me just like more instructions on what to do with it, and pretty much like, you know, more info about Henna Color Lab and just henna in general. So it is vegan, it's cruelty free, it's organic, it has no ammonia, it has no PPD, and it has no metallic salts. So they gave me, you know, told me what to do. These are all the colors that you can have in henna. So you can have dark brown, black, medium brown, auburn, red wine, pure, just like that reddish color. You can have ginger, blonde. So it's not just black, but for me, I like my hair to be dark. So yeah, and then, you know, if you have gray hairs, this might be a good solution for you to get rid of gray hairs. And they also gave me a little coupon, but that expired because I bought this so long ago. I also bought a mask from them. I tried this the first time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I put it on my story. But I tried the face mask, and I got the turmeric clay mask. This is what that looks like, and this is also in a powder form. Just if you guys were interested, they also have conditioners and stuff. So this is how it looks. Another powder, so you just mix it to your thickness, which if you guys get their masks, they work amazing, first of all, but it lasts a long time. But don't make it too thick, because when it dries it's going to thicken, and I wasn't ready for that. What I did was I went and got the Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost shampoo. Step in dyeing your hair with henna is to shampoo. So I'm going to shampoo off camera and come back, and we can start with the dyeing process. And then after you shampoo, you just go ahead and use a conditioner. I'm just going to go straight into deep conditioning. So this is the repair mask, and yeah, I don't know, I just heard nothing but good things about this line. I didn't get any stylers because henna doesn't really want you to put too many products in your hair after you color it. So I'm going to come back in the next scene, and I just want to give you guys the rundown. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair with this, and I'll be right back. I do have a video already linked on my channel about how I pre-poo my natural hair before shampooing. Pretty much I use that to detangle my hair. My hair is soft. And then this is just how it looks, if you guys were wondering. I am going to put the clip of it in natural lighting. But what I'm going to do is grab a bowl. I'm using a clear bowl, but you can use whatever type of bowl, preferably plastic. And just make sure it's enough to fit all the dye you're using. I am only going to be using really one pack and a little bit of indigo. So I'm going to pour pretty much like 90% of the henna Natural Black. We have the pure indigo, so it's just a little bit lighter in color, if you guys can tell. But I'm just adding a little bit of that in there because it says on the packaging that it is used to intensify or darken whatever other color. But I didn't add that much because I was a little scared. And then I went and added a little bit more of the natural black on top. So then you can just use regular hot tap water, nothing special. It says it on the box. You do not have to go and get no distilled purified water. What I like about Henna Colored Labs pre-made mixes is that it's already ready to go. No stress, no fuss, no hassle. So all I'm going to be doing is literally adding in the water slowly to get a thick paste mix. So later on I did end up adding just a little bit more water when I was actually applying it to my hair because my hair felt a little bit too hard. So yeah, but you don't want it to be thin at all. It doesn't have to be super thick, but it cannot be thin, soupy, runny, nothing like that, because you need this to stick to your hair and not slide off. So that's pretty much all you guys are going to be seeing in this part. Like once you purchase the henna, you will literally see how simple and easy it is. I'm back and my hair is all washed and clean. I got my gloves on, ready to apply this henna dye. My hair is towel dried, so that's why it looks really shrunken right now, but that's how I know this shampoo was really good, because when shampoos are good, my hair shrinks a lot. So that's why I know everything's out of it. But I use this like little hair turban thing, so you just like twist it up and pin it there. And I got this from the dollar store for $1, and it's really good because my hair is like 50% dry. According to the instructions, you're supposed to put the color on your hair with shampooed hair and towel dried. So it doesn't say your hair has to be dry. And then this is how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this dye. I just want to say really quickly that I love this shampoo. I definitely recommend this. Like, I detangle my hair and everything in the shower with the shampoo in it. This is the mixture that I have, and it is like a pretty like thick consistency. It smells a lot like spinach, so it is all natural, you guys. So I hope that shouldn't, like, you know, alarm you or anything. This is what natural smell like, I guess. It smells like earth and spinach. What I'm gonna do is, the next instructions is to put your hair in four, so I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna do this 4 sections. They're not even or anything, like, I don't care. Wait a minute, before I start, hold on, before I start, you guys, I'm gonna take Vaseline and I'm gonna put it around my hairline and on the tips of my ears to make sure I don't get any henna dye on my skin, because that's not, it's just not what I want. Like, it's just not. I only want to get this on my hair, so do that. I almost started and almost forgot, and I was about to be looking crazy.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like you owe your tax.
Cheapies, added to Khaleesi, you like back it up, 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 push the back it up.
The henna in my hair. Look at my curls, guys. My hair looks so good. Like, it looks so defined. Like, oh, I wish my hair looked like that. It's a wet look, right? No, but seriously, we're done. Okay, they gave me a plastic cap, so I'm going to put that over my hair. I'm just going to put this clip in the back like that to gather the hair up, because I kind of want to, yeah. Wait. Alright, so we're going to do that, and then I'm going to put the plastic cap on my head. There. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I kind of put it on my eyebrows too, so we're gonna see if my eyebrows look crazy or not. This is how they look. I tried to kind of do it like how I feel in my eyebrows, so that's how that looks right there. I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all, so please do not try it until, I don't know, don't try it. If you try it, you're at your own risk. But I tried to pretty much fill in my brows like I do when I do like makeup, just to see if I can get like a brow tint type of look. Hopefully it's not that dark. But the next instructions on here says to apply it. When done, cover head with included plastic cap. Leave on for 1 to 2 hours. So I'm going to leave this on for 2 hours like they said, and go do some homework or something. Clean up this mess that I have. I did end up using the entire bowl. So I thought I wasn't going to, but I did use the whole thing. I'm going to go ahead and leave this on for 2 hours. And then after I rinse it out, I'm going to go ahead, deep condition with this. So I'm going to deep condition with the Pantene Gold after, and then it says to blow dry my hair to accelerate the process. So I'll probably like do a blowout and come back. It has been about an hour, and I want to say an hour 30-45 minutes. It's close enough to 2 hours, so we're gonna see how my hair looks. Wait, I like this shirt, so we're gonna put this on. So I went out, like I left the house, and I noticed that the henna was actually dripping down my ears, so I just kind of want to take it off. So as you guys can see from this right here, it just splattered on my whole wall. But as y'all can see, the henna is now black. It's not green anymore. I don't know what happened in between me putting it on, but I guess when the heat and everything starts penetrating, the henna gets like a more, I guess as time goes by and like the heat penetrates it, the henna gets kind of more watery, like a more, you know, it melts down a little bit. So this is how it's looking. We're gonna take this clip out. But yep, so this is how it's looking. But my hair is black, so I'm going to, and I also rinsed out the dye on my eyebrows. I rinsed that out after like 30 minutes because I figured I didn't want my eyebrows too dark, but I figured that it would darken over time. But this is what we got so far. So I'm going to rinse this out, and once again, I'm going to use this. I just went to Sally's and picked up an attachment, a comb attachment for the blow dry brush. This is the attachment for the blow dryer, and she told me that this was on sale, the new Shea Moisture Manuka yogurt protein. My hair looks really dark. It's kind of hard, like I can't really separate it, so I'm gonna like hop in the shower and stuff like that, and then we're gonna blow dry my hair.